Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe, like and share. And on this channel, I'm bringing you makeup tutorials, fashion, travel vlogs. So stay tuned if you like what you see.
Today I'm going to be showing you guys an easy way to blend out your contour and the tools that I use and the techniques that I use. Also, this is an affordable makeup routine slash fall eyeshadow look. So hopefully I can be of inspiration to someone out there to try this at home yourself. It's kind of really easy. I don't think you need talent to be a makeup artist. I think you need practice. So with these steps and with a lot of practice, we're going to learn how to do makeup together. Okay, so for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Venus 2 palette by Lime Crime. Like I said, this is a fall makeup look. I have no idea what I'm going for, but this is the palette I'm using. So I'm about to use some fall colors, the most fallish colors I could possibly think of. Now I'm gonna take this like mud. It's called Mud. I love the names of these eyeshadows. Super simple. Mud. Now I'm gonna take this mud. Like I said, this is an affordable makeup routine. I already added my primer. Now I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. So this is like less than $10 at any local drugstore. And the only thing is, I don't really like the color, but I love the foundation because it is made for my skin. Because if you have pores, honestly, this is one of the best foundations you can get if you have pores. It's not really full coverage. Let me see. Coverage is medium, but of course it builds. So I'm just gonna add some of this. And I'm gonna add my foundation. Blend out my foundation too much because I actually want to do my concealer first. So for my concealer, since this is an affordable foundation routine, which I never do, everything I usually get comes straight from a higher up retail store, but this comes from Rite Aid, and actually this comes from a beauty supply. So for my concealer, I'm going to use my LA Pro Concealer. It is what everyone says it is. This is why most people use it, because it's like one of the best concealers out there. Can't lie. To blend out my concealer, I'm actually going to take one of these like little medium ultra wedgies out this little packy. It's a little dirty. Right there, that's what it comes in. I got these for like $2.99, $3.99 at the Sally's Beauty Supply. So instead of a beauty blender, I like to use this sometimes to blend out my makeup, and it works perfectly fine. Like if you can't afford a beauty blender, like, or I would say get this. Like if you can't afford the real beauty blender, or like a good beauty blender, get this, because honestly, a bad beauty blender will do you no good in the makeup world. This is professional. That's why they sell them at the professional beauty supply store. Get these. These are the truth. So I'm gonna add some concealer underneath my eyes. If I have any more in here. I have blended out my foundation because I wanted to add my concealer, and also I'm about to add my contour. And for my contour, I usually just take my little Bobbi Brown stick foundation. You can take any darker. Ooh, this feels weird. That feels weird. I'm just gonna take a darker color And as you can see, I left that open. So I like to put my contour directly on my skin. You can't beat that. Under $10, and I'm telling you, it's one of the best foundations I own. So now I'm kind of gonna start blending that concealer. My bad. I'm actually gonna spray my face with a little primer water to help blend that out. Now I'm gonna start blending. So see, you want to take this side of the sponge. Take this side of the sponge and apply it. Really, this sponge helps keep the product on your skin. The only thing about a beauty blender, look at all that. Like, you took all the makeup. Like, you took it all off my face, beauty blender. This is good for blending. It's not good for, to me, this. Like, if you want your contour to pop, I would suggest using this sponge. Loving this. Like, I haven't used these products in a while, and honestly I don't know why I haven't. Like, I'm already loving this. I'm really trying to contour my nose. I'm gonna take this thing and do my nosy. So from there, I just draw a line straight down, and I do the same thing over here. Ooh. And that's how you get a snatched nose. Now you really gotta start from like, follow this part of your eyebrow. Go from there, do that. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more here. Guaranteed, guys. Guaranteed facts. Guaranteed. 1000%. 1,000% your face is gonna be beaten if you follow all these steps. And a little bit of practice. Like, I've been doing this for a while. Guarantee you know. Okay, so now I'm just gonna. I like a climb. Put the blend on my nose. I'm going to set my face with this Sacha. Oh, you can't see that. That Sacha Buttercup setting powder in there, but I'm just gonna set that. After I add my setting powder, I add a little bit of bronzer. Add a little blush as well. All things you can purchase at your local beauty supplier, like drugstore. Just add a little blush to my cheeks, just a tad bit. I'm gonna blend out that little bit of setting powder I have on my face. Makeup about to be lit when you haven't even added, let me sit back, when you haven't even added the setting spray and you already